Why does a modern car's dashboard suddenly light up like a Christmas tree when the computer itself is completely fine? While a vehicle's canbus protocol uses advanced math to block digital errors, the physical copper wires carrying those messages are surprisingly fragile. In fact, most network failures aren't caused by broken software, but by simple physical issues like loose connectors, degraded wiring, or missing termination resistors. High-speed CAN networks require exactly 60 ohms of parallel resistance to stop data signals from bouncing back and corrupting new packets. Even worse, running data wires too close to ignition coils or alternators introduces electromagnetic noise that disrupts communication. High network traffic from aftermarket devices can also overload the bus, causing dropped messages that look like random hardware glitches. If you want to diagnose these hidden issues reliably, skip the multimeter, which only shows an averaged voltage, and use an oscilloscope to spot the distorted signal waves.